Learn Italian have equals.
avere,
I, you, he, we, they have. Hello from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, yes, do. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master have.
avere,
With laughs, beats, and quick wins. Let's roll. Your learning goal today. In minutes, you'll say every form of have like a pro. Stay with me and speak out loud. Key idea, have equals.
avere,
I have.
io ho,
Often just.
ho,
Closing parenthesis dot. You have.
tu hai,
Singular. He has.
lui ha,
She has.
lei ha,
It has.
ha,
We have.
noi abbiamo,
You have, plural.
avete,
They have.
loro hanno,
Forms with rhythm. Clap or tap the table with me. Rhythm makes memory stick. I have.
ho,
You have.
hai,
He has.
ha,
She has.
lei ha,
It has.
ha,
We have.
noi abbiamo,
You have, plural.
avete,
They have.
loro hanno,
Chant, have equals.
avere, ho, hai, ha, abbiamo, avete, hanno.
Tiny dialogues. Now you, do, step into real talk. Repeat after me. A. Do you have the map? B.
Sì, ho la mappa.
A. He has the tickets. B. Great.
Lui ha i biglietti.
A. She has an idea. B. Tell me.
Lei ha un'idea.
A. It has a new battery. B. Perfect.
Ha una batteria nuova.
A. We have time. B. Awesome.
Noi abbiamo tempo.
A. You have, plural, the keys? B. Yes.
Avete le chiavi? Sì.
A. They have the plan. B. Let's go.
Loro hanno il piano.
Drill time. Quick swaps. Fast swaps. Answer in Italian. I'll cue in English. You fire the Italian. I have a book.
Ho un libro.
You have time, singular.
Hai tempo.
He has the key.
Ha la chiave.
She has coffee.
Lei ha il caffè.
It has 2 doors.
Ha 2 porte.
We have a car.
Noi abbiamo una macchina.
You have, plural, 3 tickets.
Avete 3 biglietti.
They have enough time.
Loro hanno abbastanza tempo.
Culture tip. Feel it like an Italian. Tiny secret that makes you sound local. In Italian, some feelings and age use have, not be. I am hungry.
Ho fame.
She is 20 years old.
Lei ha 20 anni.
Fun quiz. Quick brain boost. Say the answer out loud. 1. Translate. We have a problem.
Noi abbiamo un problema.
Or simply.
Abbiamo un problema.
2. Which is, you have, plural. Answer.
Avete.
3. Fill the blank. She has the map.
Lei _basso la mappa.
Answer.
Ha.
4. True or false, it has equals.
Ha.
Answer. True. 5. Base verb of have? Answer.
Avere.
Challenge round. Level up, do. Say each English cue in Italian, nice and confident. I have an idea.
Ho un'idea.
You have a message, singular.
Hai un messaggio.
He has 2 emails.
Ha 2 email.
We have everything.
Noi abbiamo tutto.
You have, plural, time today.
Avete tempo oggi.
They have the tickets already.
Loro hanno già i biglietti.
Recap chant. Have equals.
Avere. Ho, hai, ha, abbiamo, avete, hanno.
Goodbye and next steps. You did it, high five. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have, with their Italian forms. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Ci vediamo presto. See you soon.